Right, for all you inquisitive people out there, what have I been doing in my kitchen with all these rocks? No, I'm not cooking them. No, I'm not using them as step ladders to get up to my kitchen. I've had quite a few comments. Some of them are really funny, some of them just ridiculous. So here we go, let's have a look. This is a plan. Hello, Coco. Hopefully it's going to work. So let's see what's underneath the rocks. If this doesn't work, like I said in my message on Facebook, it's my first attempt at doing this. And like I tell my students, FAIL stands for first attempt in learning. So if it doesn't work, I will learn from these mistakes. Bloody hell, that was heavy. I will learn from these mistakes and try a different way. Be careful I don't break my kitchen tiles in the process. And I'm definitely going to have to clean my kitchen floor when I've finished. Oh, these bricks were a little bit wet when I put them on there. Obviously because of all the snow we've had. But hey-ho. Right. Now, what I'm going to try and do now is take off this cardboard that I attached, which is a little bit wet. And what I'm going to do is peel back the cardboard like this. And then I'm going to be leaving it for the rest of the day to completely dry out without actually trying to move it. Coco, don't be using your squeaky thing while I'm trying to make a video. This one's stuck good and proper. Oh, there we go. Okay, so as you can see here, let me get the camera so you can see a little bit better. I've taken a lot of old wood that I've got from my shed, my work shed, and I've glued all them pieces of wood together in the trying to make a table. So I've glued all these pieces of wood up, and the plan is to cut around the wood like this with a jigsaw, okay, and then sand it all down and actually use this as a side table for my van. Obviously it's got to be sanded down. I'm not going to touch it at the moment because the Coco, come out the way, mate, because the cardboard I was using got a bit wet because the bricks had snow on them. Okay, but I'm going to leave it there now for a few hours. Sorry about the camera, Coco keeps jumping on me. For a few hours just to make sure that that wood glue has set, and then try and lift it up. And then what I'll do is, once it's all done, I'll post a little video or a few pictures on here and show you what I've done. Okay, so there you have it. So thanks for all the comments, you inquisitive people. And let's see how it turns out in the end. If it's a complete failure, I'll try a different way. The bricks, obviously, was to push all the glue together. Coco! Okay? I'll get back to you. Bye. Right, following on from my escapades in the kitchen with the rocks, this is what I've come up with. A suspended table that hangs on the sliding door of my camper van. So I've made 2 rubber hooks here that actually hook over the door itself on a carabiner, attached it to a rope, and then the rope is then knotted underneath, 2 knots there, which made it quite level. Moving round, both are suspended, so the table itself comes away from the van there, but when it's there, it's actually really firm, and I'm really impressed. It wasn't my intention to carry the rope on underneath, but then I thought, oh my god, I've got a bit of extra rope, I wonder if it ties together. So that's why I've hung a tea towel on it. So the table can be used for cooking on, for washing the dishes, for general just popping stuff on there when you're messing around the van. Okay, again, obviously suspended on this side, back to the top, into the hook, just there. Yeah, and I've put the this door sealant on the metal hook, just so it doesn't scratch the car. But overall, it's looking pretty impressive. So there you have it, another one of my Vanlife creations. You may be looking now at this box that I've got attached to my side door. That's a new project that I'm working on, so you'll have to see what turns out there. Well, it's not there permanently, don't worry. Okay, so this is another creation that I'm working on. My van life, when I come out of lockdown, is going to be bloody awesome. Look at that, eh? The luxuries. Okay, it's a short video, guys. If you do like what you see here today, please press that subscribe button and see what else is coming, because that black box is the next creation. If you want to see it, press the notification bell, and that will allow you, or that will inform you when the next video is coming out. Okay, I'm going to finish the video here because somebody's just started up with a chainsaw and you're not going to hear me. Take care, everybody. Stay safe.